Hey, what's new guys? Welcome back in the new video, and here we have a Thunderbird 350X by Royal Enfield. The look of this bike is kind of similar with the Thunderbird 350, the original one. Both bike has the same chassis, same wheelbase. Ground clearance is 135 mm in this bike. The total weight is 195 kg, and the length, width and height different from the original Thunderbird. It has 350cc single-cylinder 4-stroke twin-spark air-cooled engine which produces 20 PS of power at 5250 rpm with massive torque of 28 Nm. This bike comes with a carburetor fuel supply system. They took the engine transmission, which is 5-speed manual transmission, and implement in this 350X. This bike provides a better ride comfort because it has a premium quality leather seats which are pretty spongy and comfortable. You got the same offset type of fuel cap fuel tank which is 20 liter, which is pretty massive. It has beautiful analog plus digital type of console which has a blue accent. I think this is pretty old but still look good. You got a speedometer with kph as well as mile per hour with Royal Enfield logo. You get a trip A, trip B with its own average speed, then fuel indicator, then RPM meter, battery indicator, gear indicator and fuel low warning. Now let's talk about the looks of this bike which make it different from the Thunderbird 350. So there is no any backrest at the back. They provide a hand grip for the pillion which make it a bit sporty as well as the cafe racer kind of look. The handlebar is short type of handlebar which gives a sporty kind of feel while riding, and this bike comes in a two colors which is whimsical white and roving red. You only get a colored tank from whimsical white or roving red. Apart of that, the whole body will be in the black color. So that's it with the look of the bike and what RE offers you. Now take this X on the road and test it.
Okay guys, so I'm here in this Royal Enfield Sarabai, and the area is I think Shivranjani. Okay, so this is 350X Thunderbird Royal Enfield and I'm gonna test ride this bike, so let's see how it goes. Yeah. So the main change in this bike is the handlebar. Okay, handlebar is changed from this to this. Okay, so it feels like classic 350, not exact classic 350 has here. Okay, और इसका थोड़े ऊपर है तो मज़ा आती है. और इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी. यप, वाइब्रेशन तो है. Footrest and position are the same exact like the Thunderbird original. Yeah, the exhaust is also changed a bit. I don't know why. So let's rock it. Pickup is also good, but a different sound in this bike. I don't know why. Listen this. See that. Power is there because the same engine classic 350 and the Thunderbird 350 has. Okay, so no issue regarding engine power and no difference. कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. इसका कलर अच्छा है, खाली टैंक वाइट है, बाकी सब ब्लैक है जो कि अलग दिखता है. How it looks on the roads, looks beautiful, right? Yep. Exhaust, I hope you guys hear it. The sitting is comfortable. Thunderbird के हैंडलबार थोड़े ऊपर है जो कि प्रीमियम फील और टूरर फील देते हैं. इसके थोड़े से नीचे लाइक क्लासिक. ओके, बट नॉट बैड एक्चुअली. This bike has 190 kg of weight, but I don't feel it. ट्रैफिक में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ सकती इस बाइक से. vibration are there, but I mean it's not that high or not that low. I mean you can feel the vibration on the handlebar especially. Footrest are vibrate a bit, not that much, okay, and the body vibrates a little bit, उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, but हैंडल बार पे सबसे ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन है, पूरी बॉडी में सबसे ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन हैंडल बार पे, ओके. But I don't think this vibration will make you tired or something like that, which you can see in the classic. Brake feedback is not good, man. I don't know why. Front disc are not good, as you can see. ये रुकेगा नहीं. Front disc is not giving that much feedback. Suspension are good, okay, suspension are good actually. Okay, mirror are really bad, man. I can't see anything. या ट्रैफिक पे भी आपको कोई तकलीफ नहीं होने वाली है. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट. टॉर्क तो है ही रॉयल एनफील्ड का फेमस. आई लाइक द हैंडलिंग ऑफ दिस बाइक एक्चुअली. ब्रेक्स आर नॉट दैट गुड, स्पेशली फ्रंट डिस्क इज not that powerful. I don't know what's wrong with the brakes. Rear brakes are good. Bike is full black, okay, you can see the alloy wheel in the both. So there is a tubeless tires जो कि थंडरबर्ड 350 जो नॉर्मल वाली है उसमें स्पोक्स व्हील है, तो उसमें ट्यूब वाले टायर है, ओके, उसमें ट्यूबलेस टायर है. आई डोंट नो कि रॉयल एनफील्ड का ये क्या पंगा है, व्हील ऐसे जाता है, पीछे का गार्ड ऐसे जाता है. या दैट वाज इट विद दिस बाइक टेस्ट राइड.